Have you ever wished your Xiaomi phone could read out text-to-speech but don't know how to set it up? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use the text-to-speech feature on your Xiaomi phone to enhance your smartphone experience. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open the Settings app, scroll down, then tap Additional Settings. Next, select Accessibility. Now swipe right to the Vision section. After that, tap Text to Speech. Now choose the preferred engine, usually Google Text to Speech. Choose the desired language for the text-to-speech output, then modify the speech rate and pitch as you prefer. And that's it for today. You've now set up text-to-speech on your Xiaomi phone, articles, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for your future videos. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.